Often families going through probate have a sibling who maybe lives in the house or has lived in the house a long time with the parent who has recently passed away, and that sibling refuses to get out. They consider the home their home because maybe they've lived there for a long, long time. Maybe they've lived there for their whole lives. Who knows? But they refuse to get out. So what do you do? Well, first of all, you need to find out what the rights of the person are. So you need to talk to your probate real estate attorney or probate attorney and ask what the legal situation for the of the occupant is. A lot of probate attorneys don't want to handle this. And so a lot of times you have to go to a person who does evictions to find out exactly what the status is of the person who lives there. So that's the first step to do, is find out what the situation is for the person who lives there. And then secondly, since this is a real estate matter, I get involved a lot in matters like this because as being an experienced person who talks to these people who live in the house and tries to broker an exit strategy, it's a lot easier for me to do that than it is for family members to have that difficult conversation. And it can be in the presence of the family members or without. Usually it's without. But anyway, I think being calm, honest, reasonable, and sympathetic to listening to their story is key to coming to a conclusion that will work for everybody. A lot of times you have to have a plan for where the person's going to go next, how they're going to be financially supported, how they're going to be emotionally supported. They need to know that their life's going to be okay, that this is not going to be a catastrophe for them, but they're going to be okay. And so you come up with a plan and how to make that work. And I think the whole family sometimes needs to be involved, but especially this is going to be a decision that the executor and administrator is ultimately going to have to make. But anyway, get some help, get some advice from your attorney and from your real estate broker, and have your real estate broker help you with this. If you found this interesting and helpful, which I hope you did, please click the like button and help other people who are going through this kind of difficulty in probate. And if you need some guidance or you're kind of confused about where to go, maybe you want to talk to the real Gene Brown. I'd be happy to help you. Thanks.